Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to bold your message on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu, find WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Open a chat. In the message box, type a message. To bold your message, place an asterisk on both sides of the text. Tap Send. As you can see, the message which you have sent is bolded. This is how you can bold your message on WhatsApp on an Android device.